So sometimes I find it a little bit difficult when I'm adding the sleeves as to which hole I'm supposed to be bringing my yarn up through. So what I decided to do is just to add stitch markers before I even bring the yarn out. So I start here at the very bottom. There's going to be 2 bars that are going across at the bottom. So that's going to be my first one. And then I hold that to the top seam, the one where we join the shoulder. So those 2, I hold it like this. So if you'll notice, now that I have it lined up like that, I can see where I'm supposed to add the stitch markers. So they're diagonally across from each other. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11 and this is 12. All right, and we're going to be pulling up the loops into these spaces here. So, I'm going to take our loop like we usually do. Bring that over here. Going to bring the loop up here. Going to go into the first loop. I'm going to bring it up here. So that's our first loop. This one, I'm going to tuck it underneath here. So I need a little anchor location. I'm going to tuck that one under. So here we go. So that's our first one, the next one, and the next one, the next one. And I'm pulling them from the inside out. So your loops should be looking like this. They're going to be going on the outside of your garment like that. Okay, so this one underneath here, this one here, under here, and we're also trying to make them all the same size as the loops in our garment. So we don't want them bigger because then it's gonna look bigger than the rest of your garment and the sleeves are going to be longer based on our measurements. So you want to try and keep them the same size you were making them in your garment. Okay, we're almost finished adding all of them. Okay. So my last one here. There I go. I'm done. The first row. So now that we've done our first row, gotten everything where they need to be, we can now take out our markers because we don't want to forget these in here because they'll be very uncomfortable. That's all of them.